Alright, I'm going to show you how to put a gun in a Kapos AMP. Alright, this is a Glock 45, but basically all the guns will go in the same way. You take out the piece in the back, you press these two buttons, slide it out. Then you have a piece inside that holds the rails. It's kind of hard to see, but you'll see it. The rail of the gun has to fit in that piece in the grooves. So you want to make sure the gun slides in and sits tight. Once it's in, it should be all the way to the trigger guard. You take this piece here and kind of in an angle, push it hard till it clicks in. That's it. Make sure the gun sits tight, everything good. Charge it. Make sure the slide functions good, no problems. That's it. You're ready to go to the range. Take it out, same way, backwards. You press these two buttons. Slide it out, pull the gun out, that's it. Thank you. Let's click that square.